got chicken. Oh, chicken. Hello, my Priceless family. Hope all is well on today. It's about 5 minutes after 7, and I have to make a Sam's Club run and stop to a few other stores as well. So, of course, I'm taking you along. You know what to do. Stick and stay. And if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get dressed. Okay, so Mom and I are at Sam's, and usually, you know, I would do this shopping haul when we get home, but we're already hot, and we're already tired. Are you tired? How you hot, Ma?
Just look at it.
We're already hot, and we're already tired, so I'm going to do this shopping haul from the parking lot of the Sam's Club, and we haven't had anything to eat. And
breakfast neither lunch.
And it's going on.
After 1.
It's going on 1:30. So we're going to do this from the parking lot. So if you know, you know. You have to buy one of these bags. And I should have brought 2 of them. But anyway, here goes the shopping haul. We have some peppers. Lumberjack. That Roger Wood sausage. Oh, you want the bag, Ma? Hold the bag and I'll hand it to you. Fajita chicken, double pack. Nathan's hot dogs. I have 18 of the mini hamburgers. And we have, hope that y'all can hear me. If not, I'll do a voiceover. We have some chicken breast. Y'all, Mama's like, hurry up, child.
It's getting heavy.
It's getting heavy. So go ahead and put it in the car. Put it in the car. You got it or you need me to get it? We have some plums, some Jif double pack peanut butter. Y'all, I don't know what Mom. Oh, there go my camera. My camera fell. Sorry, guys. Sorry, my Priceless family. Mom bought grits and grits for days. A three pack.
The price was right.
Mom bought 3 packs of grits. Guess what, y'all? I'm going to be doing shrimp and grits probably at the church. Shrimp and grits and sausage, grits and salad. You know, everyone is buying. I mean, every basket round here just goes inside the car. That Member Mark toilet paper and the Member Mark paper towels. And of course, we had to purchase this extra large Fabuloso. You know, we have to get that. Two 5-gallon buckets. Sam's Club. United States of America, 250-year celebration coming up. But we purchased this for something else. You know, we do container gardening, other things like that. And this was 2 for $7.76, which was a good price. Here goes the other cart. So let me move the other cart over here. I know, this is a non-traditional shopping haul. But when I get home after today, I'm not going to want to set all this stuff up and put it on the counter nice and pretty. So we're just going to do this in the parking lot. We have 20 fruit bowls, diced peaches, cherry mixed fruits, and mandarin oranges. I should have brought my, what is it? I should have brought my microphone. Nature Valley biscuits, almond butter, cinnamon biscuits. So we have a pack of that. A 10 pack of Star-Kissed tuna. Mom loves this. Almost every time we come, she buys the pineapple spears. We have a 4-pack of double Q salmon, pink salmon. Also have a box of, an 8-can box of Bush's baked beans. Another one of Mom's favorite, Quaker's 52-pack of multi-flavored oatmeal, instant oatmeal. And y'all know I love that Dawn Power Wash. So I have 2 packs of the Dawn Power Wash, and they're on sale for $9.98. You cannot beat that. 3 packs, 3 bottles. Yeah, $9.98. Yeah, so I have that. We have some pork chops. We have some chicken wings. We've got chicken. Oh, chicken. 2 packs of the sweet kale salad mix. A bag of shrimps. Mom has to put that inside. We have some spinach and herb tortillas. 0 carbs. This needs to go inside. And some blueberry muffins. I need to eat one of these right now. Mom has me in this street. She hasn't fed me all day. Yeah, love these blueberry muffins. Soap, some deodorant, because you know you need soap and deodorant. All right, family, that's it for today's shopping haul. We're just sitting in the car recouping because it's what's the temperature? It's saying it's 81 degrees, but I think it's a little bit hotter than that. And Mama's over here yawning. So that's today. That's it for today's shopping haul. I know it's unusual. We didn't wait till we arrived back home. But when we get home, it's about getting these things out the car and getting them put up as quick as possible. So now we have to make a couple more stops, but we're going to get something to eat. She's saying not sure. Anyway, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free and it's fun. Hit the subscription once, hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. And everyone, on your way out, give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a kind comment below, and we'll see you next time here on Katrena's Priceless Home, Life, and More. Until then, stay safe, Stay blessed. And remember, you are absolutely priceless.